Welcome to Property Vlogs. This is the BLR Apartment Tour, and you are watching the ultra luxury 4 BHK apartment video tour. This is the main door, and here is the guest bedroom. Bedroom. This room has attached bathroom here. The fittings, everything are modern fittings. Spacious guest bedroom. As you come from the guest room, this is the common bathroom. This also with modern fittings. From the left, this is the dining area, and here is the kitchen. This apartment is ready to occupy. This is the utility area, and this utility area has maid's room and separate entrance. This is the main door, right side guest bedroom, left side common bathroom, and here is the big living room, spacious living room, and this is the living room balcony. From the living room, this is the bedroom 1. This bedroom also have attached bathroom. Now this is the second bedroom. This bedroom also has attached bathroom, and this is all Italian marble flooring. Same fittings, all the bathrooms with modern fittings, high-end fixtures, everything. So this is the third and master bedroom. This bedroom has balcony, attached balcony. From the balcony you can see the hotels, 5-star hotels. This is one of the most luxurious project in Bangalore, BLR Apartment Tour. So this is 2 kilometers from MG Road. This apartment is in CBD area. This space is for a walk-in closet. This is the attached bathroom. Spacious bathroom with luxury fittings. This master bedroom is wooden flooring. The rest of the bedrooms are marble flooring. So main door, electronic door locks, and here is the lift area, like lobby area, swimming pool. This is in the clubhouse, and there is a lounge area, and this is the cafeteria. This is the pantry. First floor, table tennis, gym, restroom, steam room, pool room. Ground floor, shower area, swimming pool, restroom, cafeteria, lounge area. So So we will see the first floor amenities. This is the gym with full of equipment, and from the first floor you can see the swimming pool, and that is the lounge area. So this is the ultra luxury apartment tour 2018, and this apartment is available for sale. For more details you can check out the description area, and hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Property Vlogs, and thank you for watching the ultra luxury apartment video tour, Bangalore.